Hello, I am James Morris. Serious injuries occur at factories, construction sites, and other places of employment. You may be injured by an unsafe product or by the actions of an outside contractor. Your employer may investigate the accident, but you have a right to investigate the accident as well, and you probably should. In a construction accident, New York laws and regulations require an owner and a general contractor to provide safety equipment and a safe work environment. An experienced lawyer can review your case and advise you as to potential claims. In New York, you generally cannot sue your employer. Workers' compensation provides only limited benefits. It takes an experienced lawyer to review the facts of your case and determine whether other parties are responsible who can be sued to fully compensate you for the loss of your pay and benefits. In one case, we successfully represented a laborer who was severely injured when he fell from a ladder at a work site. We were able to prove that the owner and general contractor failed to provide the proper safety equipment. Following a mediation, the man and his family were able to recover his lost wages and the value of the benefits that he lost. He received far more than he would have from workers' compensation alone. In some cases, employers or the union will suggest a lawyer to you. You have the right to choose your own lawyer. If you call the law office of James Morris, I would be happy to consult with you personally. The consultation would be without charge. Thank you.